Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Corona, portable, standard, Corona. Okay, so this is the one that has the big list of items to be repaired. Let's take a look. Oh, it's not showing up. Okay, so ribbon feed. Correct the ribbon issues, cause another problem. Okay, I've actually fixed all that. Paper bail roller's flat. It's got brand new ones. I just took things off and put new rubber on here. Okay, missing left hand top on rear cover. Got it right there. Missing paper bail will not latch forward. That's on a different video. Latches forward, pops back perfect now. Carriage won't work. There was another thing here. Paper tray screws. Oh yeah, the bottom. You wanted these screws replaced here on the paper pan. They're not necessary, but I did it. Okay, so this is ready, and it is typing pretty darn good. Except for we're gonna look at this today up close, because I have not really run across this very often, especially not to this degree. Okay, let's zoom in here a little bit to the ribbon. So we got the ribbon moving and feeding and reversing and everything. Let's get some fresh paper in here somewhere. Okay, I can't go anywhere that way. So she's typing along just fine, but as we type, all of a sudden, I'm just going to take a sentence here too. But all of a sudden, it starts getting light. And it quits, and it's binding, and and it hopped out of its guide right there. You see that? Just some funky stuff. And so it's sticking again. It's stuck now, so it's just drying up right here. And sticking up. Okay, what is the problem? The problem is the ribbon. If you look really close on this ribbon, and it's hard to see. In fact, I don't see it on camera too much, but there's a little cutout right here on the bottom of the ribbon. There's another one right there, and in fact, the whole ribbon seems to have these. And what's happening is it's catching underneath. It's catching on these on the ribbon lift. So when it comes through here like this, see that little tiny notch right there? It's going to catch. It didn't catch, but it's gonna. If it doesn't catch there, it's gonna catch over here, and then there's more coming because this ribbon has a whole bunch of them. There's another notch right there, and another one. So let's see if this catches. See, that one's trying to catch. That one is knocking it out of its guide. This one almost caught over here. It's doing something weird. It did catch. So now it won't turn. So I'm trying to turn it, and it won't turn. And go back the other way, it won't turn either way. Look at that. So I've seen ribbons get frayed in a place or two, especially near the end or when it doesn't ribbon reverse, but this ribbon is all throughout the ribbon. It seems like there's some type of malfunction here of the whole ribbon is bad. So there's a notch. This ribbon is just annoying. And notches and notches, and those are all catching on the guide. Another notch, another notch, another notch. This ribbon is destroyed, and it's fairly new. So never seen that. I've seen it like a little bit, but never to this degree. So I just thought I would highlight that on this video today, that you never know. Somebody might be asking, why is my ribbon jamming? Well, I guess that's one reason right there. Strange things, you never know. You got to investigate and have a close eye on things. Okay, so I'm going to get this little off here. I'm going to wind some, probably a black and red ribbon on here. I don't know. Alright, so that's the video for strange ribbon jamming scenario. Bad new ribbon, bad. Alright, Typewriter. Good day.